So this is the Popcorn Party math game, and I want to just show you a couple different ways that we can use this game to work on our skills in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So what you will need for this game is some dice, preferably at least 4 pieces, some cards, but I only took out the cards that had numbers on them. You'll need some paper and something to write with. If you want to make it fun and actually play the popcorn part of it, you'll want a bowl, and I'll show you how to set that up here in just a second. So with this game, we're going to work on some addition skills first. You can work by yourself, or you can you can play this game as a 2-player game. Let's show how the dice portion of the game will work first. So I will roll all of the dice into my bucket here just so that I don't accidentally, drop them on the table or off on the floor. All right, so here are my numbers. I like to use different colored dice so that I can organize them that way. If I rolled those 4 dice and set them up, I would then pick a piece of popcorn out of my popcorn bowl and find out if I am going to add these numbers together or subtract these numbers. I'm going to subtract these numbers. So my first number would be 14 and my second number would be 23. When I subtract, I know that I have to have the larger number on top. So now I'm going to take my piece of paper and my pencil. In this case, I have a marker. I'm going to write my first number, 23. And because I drew a subtraction sign, I'm going to subtract the next number. 23 minus 14. All right, I'm going to start over in the ones place. 3 minus 4. 3 is too small, so I'm going to borrow from the tens place. I'm going to borrow a group of 10 and only leave one group of 10. Bring that group of 10 over to the 3 to make it a 13. Now I have 13 take away 4. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 1 take away 1, 0. So my answer for this problem will be 9. Now, let's go ahead and roll again. And this time I'm gonna hope that I roll an addition sign, or pick an addition sign, let's see. Ta-da, addition. So this time I would add these numbers together. 14 plus 23. When you add, it doesn't really matter if the bigger number is on top or not. Some people like to do that just for consistency, but you can write it however you want. You can write 16 plus 23. Start over my ones place again. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 3. 16 plus 23 is 39. Now I'm going to manipulate and change these numbers a little bit because I want you to see an addition problem with regrouping. All right, so if the numbers I rolled were 16 and 36, let me show everyone how to add using regrouping. It's been a little while. I'm going to write 16 plus 36. Start over my ones place. 6 plus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I put the 2 down in the ones place and carry the group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer for 16 plus 36 would be 52. So that's one way we can play this game if you have dice at home. If you do not have dice, but you have cards, you can organize the cards based on, taking out all of the special cards and just leaving all of the numbers. And you can do the exact same addition and subtraction activity with the cards and the addition and subtraction signs if you would like, or you can play a multiplication game either by yourself or with a partner. I'll show you how the multiplication game would work. If you're playing by yourself or with a partner, you're going to want two piles. If you were playing by yourself, you would pull one card from each pile, 2 and 8. 2 times 8. If you do not know mental math for this problem, you can use a strategy that we've learned, like counting by twos 8 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 2 times 8 is 16. So you're practicing multiplication on your own if you're playing this game one player. If you're playing this game two player, you will each put down a card, and whoever can answer the multiplication problem the quickest would be the winner. So if you and your partner both put down these two numbers at the same time, the first person to say 10 wins. That person would take the cards, start their pile, and whoever ends up with all of the cards is the winner. So just like war, if you're familiar with that game.